In this video, we are going to see how we can write the file in PHP. So in previous example, as you can see, we use two functions, fread and feof and fgets. These were the two approaches to read the file, and in result, we were getting this. Now we will gonna look into how we can write the file. So to write the file, again, we will have to print it. So for write, we have fwrite, same, the file handle, the instance, and the text that we want to add. We are writing a file. And here we have to change from R to W. W means write. Save it, go back here, refresh, 21, which means it is returning the number of bytes, the file size. To read it, we have to create another instance. We have to reopen the file with R operator, and we can simply use this same code again, save it, come back, refresh, and here we go. We are writing a file. Now you must be wondering where the previous text gone. Yeah, that's the problem. We use the writing operator here, which means it will overwrite the entire file. So if we write something here again, new, save it, come back, refresh, and you see previous text is gone. So it is overriding the entire file. In order to append the file, we have to change this W from A. A means append. Now, if we will gonna write, we are writing a file, save it. You see, it is adding a new text after this. So let's add another one, save it, come back, refresh, and you see, this is how it is appending the file. That's about writing and appending the file. We're gonna come in next video and look into other stuff. Thank you for now. Bye bye.